we are going to be setting up Nextcloud in a Proxmox virtual environment using Ubuntu Server 22.04. Nextcloud is a powerful open source file hosting solution that you can use to store and share your data securely. Today we'll guide you through every step of the installation process. Proxmox Virtual Environment is a powerful virtualization platform that lets you manage virtual machines with ease. We've chosen Ubuntu Server 22.0 for its reliability and compatibility with Nextcloud, but also because Nextcloud comes with the Ubuntu Snap Manager and is simple to install. First, let's create a new virtual machine in Proxmox. Click on Create VM, name your VM, select Ubuntu Server 22.0 from ISO image, and allocate resources according to your needs. Now start the virtual machine and proceed with the installation of the Ubuntu server. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Make sure to select a strong password and if needed, configure your network settings. Once you get the Snap Manager, go down to the second option, which should be Nextcloud. Go ahead and click Enter. It should bring up another page where it shows you the different versions of Nextcloud. We're going to select the latest and greatest and stable version. Go ahead and click Enter on it. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Click Close. And there you go. Now you can see a little star in the parentheses. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and click Done. With Ubuntu installed, log into your server. First, ensure that all packages are up to date using sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Last, we're going to use the IP space A command to find the IP for the Nextcloud interface. Once you have your IP, go ahead and type it into the browser, click Continue to Site, and voila, there's your Nextcloud interface. If there's any problems, please let me know in the comments below and I'll try to help you out the best as I can.